How to add notes in your Grubhub order. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Grubhub app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to add notes in your order, you need to go to your orders page. Or in your home page, you can explore through different foods and restaurants. You can order any foods. Let's say if I want to order from this Mary's Mini Mart, I'll tap on it. It has different options of foods and dishes. I'll select my preferred items. You can select the quantity and add-ons accordingly. Once you are done with that, you can tap on this add to bag option at the bottom. Now this food has been added to your order list. In order to view your order, you can see this view order button at the bottom. Tap on it. If you have any promo codes, you can enter it over here. Otherwise, you can simply tap on this proceed to checkout button at the bottom. Now you will be prompted to this payment space. Over here, you can also add notes in your order. You can give certain instructions about your food or the delivery rider. Here you can see this pickup instructions section. Tap on it. You can add your notes over here. You can type anything that you want to say. Once you're done, you can tap on the save button and the notes has been added into your order. Now the delivery person will be able to view your notes too. So that's it. That's how you can easily add notes in your Grubhub order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.